So in 2024, should you learn web design or web development? Yes, this is a question that a lot of people who want to go into the tech space or the development phase actually ask themselves. They are bothered with this question if they should learn web design or web development. And in this video, I want to try to bring to your knowledge the difference between web design and web development and which you should learn in 2024. Now, based on the characteristics I'm going to give, you're going to pick for yourself which of them you're going to learn. I'm not going to make your decision for you. I'm not going to give you the decision. I'm going to tell you from both sides. I do both, so I'm going to tell you from both aspects, and then you're going to pick from your own point of view. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing is I want to talk about web design. So what is web design? Now, a lot of people call UX and UI designers, they call them web designers because they also deal with designs. But the truth is, web design has to do with, from us looking at it from the website design's perspective or looking at it from the website perspective, web designers are people that use no code platform like drag and drop platform to build website. So web designers use tools like WordPress, Webflow, Wiz, Squarespace to build website. So those people that do those that use those platform, no code platform in the website environment, they are called web designers. So why those that use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, whatever you have, are called programmers? Yes. So now, the web designers are actually okay, the programmers are okay. So which of them should you learn is the main question. So first of all, in order to consider which of them you should learn, you should first ask yourself, how is your personality? So how is your personality defines which of them you should learn. So for example, if you are a person that literally do not like stress, you literally do not like spending a particular time on a project, you literally do not like sitting for long, then I don't think coding or programming is for you. Because with programming, there are some days you spend like one full day chasing a bug that you do not know who started the bug. It might just be one white space or one space line that you did that you just forgot, and then that will be the bug of the website. So if you want to do web design, if you want to do web development, sorry, you should understand that you're going to spend a lot of time sitting and working your ass up on the code. But on the other hand, web designer, that doesn't mean they don't spend enough time. But using platform like WordPress, it will take you more than necessary time to use in building the website. So, for example, you can use like let's say 2 days to build a complete website using a drag and drop platform like WordPress. Yes, you can use 2 days. Um, some people actually expertise in WordPress such that they use a day to complete a full project in WordPress. Yes, I've literally done it, so it's not a new thing. But then you don't go out there and start telling clients that I can use a day to build a website. No, people want to pay you when they think they want to pay you more when they think it is tasky. So you want to tell them that okay, use like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, depending. But normally you can do that a day. But for the code, on the other hand, if you are developing the code from scratch, that means you're going to spend nothing less than 3 days to 4 days. So as you can see, the codes take a longer time, longer focus than the web design. That's the first point. Now, when it comes to the pay, you want to consider who pays the most, who has the most money. Well, to be frank and sincere, both of them have money. So I started as a WordPress web designer, and I started building website with WordPress. And I had a friend who was already into code once again. Now, we are both in the same environment. Listen to what I'm saying. We are both in the same environment. When I mean the same environment, we are both freelancers and we are both in Nigeria. Now, in Nigeria, people already have a certain IQ that this is how much a website costs. So we are both in Nigeria. We both perform freelancing services. So the money I charged for my own website using WordPress was the same money he was charging using code, custom code. Now then I was charging 300,000 per e-commerce website, and he was also charging 300,000. Now, if we come across a client that knows how to negotiate and want to negotiate the word, we can do it for like 200 then or 150. And that's the same thing he was doing. So we were making the same amount. What was the only difference there was the client finding, the process of finding client. So whoever gets the most client literally gets the most money. That was it all. Because most people in Nigeria do not care if you use a custom code to build their website or use WordPress. They literally do not care. Imagine that woman selling chief or that woman that owns a boutique and then she calls you to build a website. We should be thinking if you're using JavaScript or you're using WordPress. The only thing she's going to tell you is, okay, make it so easy that I can upload my product anytime. So it's not a business if you use WordPress, if you use JavaScript. And the same amount you are charging her for WordPress, the same amount you are charging her for JavaScript, you understand? So the only thing she wants to know is to deliver her project. So it doesn't matter which of them you choose, you can use both of them. So it's not left for you to decide, okay, should you stick with um, a custom code, or should you stick with WordPress or any drag and drop platform if you are in Nigeria? Now, if you're taking it internationally, um, there are a lot of YouTubers that I've actually followed and listened to the way they actually do their pricing online. And so far, I think it's still the same thing, because Create a Pro website actually charge about $5,000 in building a custom WordPress website. So per page, if it's been a 5-page website for you, it's charging you $1,000 per page. Now, and at the same time, this other developer, what's his name? Sorry, there's a developer I also follow. I've forgotten his name. He also charged $5,000 building a custom code website. Now, I think it's all matter what the client literally wants. Yes, what the client wants, what the client wants. So if the client wants a custom code, you do it for him, you could negotiate. That's it's up to you. But at the end of the day, it all matter. But if you are coming to the Nigeria settings, I think they make the same amount. Now taking it to who can build a better project. Know that a programmer can build a better project than a WordPress web designer, because a programmer, there are limitations to WordPress, although WordPress are trying to upgrade, but currently there are limitations to WordPress. For example, you cannot use WordPress to build a customizable backend. Yes, giving your backend feature the way you want. You cannot use WordPress. So WordPress are actually limited to some sense, but coding or programming are literally not too limited, but WordPress are limited to some sense. But are there also, which of them can you find useful resources that can help you? Both of them, yes. If you are stuck as a no code web developer, or you are stuck as a programmer, you can literally see resources online. Both of them have enough resources. Yes, to go to GitHub, you see resources that about development. You can go to Code Hub. There are a lot of platforms out there. There's Stack Overflow. I can see a lot. There's also WordPress forum that you can see a lot of helpful tips about WordPress. And you have the WP Beginners that has one of the largest database about WordPress. So the both of them has forum out there. So this is not left for you. If you're working in Nigeria, you are focusing in Nigeria, and you don't have enough time to start focusing on your screen, to sit in one place to solve problem, then you should consider doing WordPress. But if you have that time and you have a goal, what you want to learn, then you should sit with programming. Now, a WordPress designer can be a programmer can be a WordPress designer. So you don't have to stop in any one you choose. Whatever one you choose, once you are good in that, you can switch to the other one. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I've been able to explain to you guys which of them you should choose, and I've given you the opportunity to make your own decision. So let me know in the comment section which of them you choose. If I have resources that you need, I can put you through and send them to you via your DM. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and like this video if you have not liked this video. Share the video if it's required, and if so you know someone that needs these helpful tips, share the video with that person, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now, guys.